Hi guys! So today I'm doing something that I've never done before. I have been seeing a lot of people do dares, and today I have been dared by Matrix to get my hair colored. So I'm really excited and also a little nervous, so let's see how it goes.
So I went to Arun's salon where my hairdresser Arun was going to do the hottest hair color trend on my hair. We chose the color Mocha Melt, and honestly I was very scared to do this dare.
Later that same evening,
I've been sitting in front of this mirror for the past 20 minutes because I'm in love with my hair, and I promise I'm not like a crazy self-obsessed person, but if you're a girl who's just gotten your hair color, then you understand this feeling. Like, I feel like a different person. My face feels more uplifted and I just can't get enough of it. You can't really see the actual color as it is in person because of the lighting here, but if you want to see how it's actually looking, then keep watching the video. And okay, I'm gonna get out of here before you think I'm crazy. So the reason my hair looks so good and still feel healthy is because they used a professional color-led technique powered by SoColor pre-bonded formula, which protects your hair even after the color. They use 3 different shades to go from dark to light to give me this melted color on my hair, and I just love how seamlessly the shades blend into one another. I've been very afraid of doing this in the past because I think very few coloring techniques suit Indian skin tones, but Matrix has cracked the formula with this melt, and I can guarantee that it will literally suit everybody.
Hi guys! So it's been a couple of days since my hair color, and just look at it.
hey, that's pretty good.
So yeah, I decided to wait because I wanted to see how it actually looks after a couple of days and how my hair feels, if it feels like rough or anything. But I think like the color started looking better each day and it started showing a little more, but not too much. It still looks pretty, natural. I don't know how many of you know this, but I have a disaster story from coloring my hair like some 8-9 years ago, and I've only colored it that once. And the worst part was, it's not that it did anything wrong, but I think the color was so light and so in the face that it didn't suit my skin tone at all. Like, it would probably look good on a, I don't know, foreigner or something, but to me it looked too much and too in the face. And the best part about this is that it's made for Indian skin tone. And honestly, if you see, this goes from like dark to light in the bottom. So the top is the darkest shade. Yeah. So the top is one color, and then gets a little lighter in the middle, and then the bottom is where it's the lightest. And if you see, it's blended perfectly. Like, nowhere will you be able to see any strong lines, so it looks super natural. And I think that's the best part, because I don't like my hair to look like they've really been colored, and I like that there's a natural feel to it. Also, to tell you guys about how my hair feels, because the last time when I had done it like back in the day, my hair got a lot more rough and frizzy, but this time they feel exactly the same. Like, I'm not saying this just for the sake of it, but my hair don't feel rough or dry or anything. It feels exactly like how it was before my hair color. And this is specifically because this technique has a pre-bonded formula that protects your hair and doesn't let it damage your hair. So I think, like, if you're someone who's worried about how your hair will be after the color or how it'll look and how it'll feel, just trust this blindly and go for it, because they've just done the best job that I could ever ask for.